Hey, what's up everybody? This is Ola with Mobile WizTech and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the Havit fitness tracker, and I'll be talking more about it right after this. Before I get started, if you end up finding my content useful or entertaining, please help me out by hitting that thumbs up button. Also, if you want to receive more content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe and the notification bell button. Now we can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. Now let's talk about the Havit Smart Fitness Tracker. All right, as you can see here, it is rated IP67. Okay, so that means it can take splashes of rain. It's dust resistant, sweat resistant. So of course you shouldn't have any issues while working out and wearing this if you are caught in the rain or sweating heavily, dealing with dust, etc. Like for instance, running at the beach or in an area where it's dusty and there's a lot of particles in the air, you shouldn't have any issues while wearing this fitness tracker, okay? Let's see what else here. All right, the watch band is two-tone, as you can see there, and there are different colors as well. But this particular one, you can see it's two-tone here. All right, pretty cool. The screen size is 1.3 inches, all right? And zinc alloy case. All right, have it, have fun. All right, some more information on the back here. And with that stated, let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. Slide this out real quick. Let's see. Open it from here. Pull this out. So I did it upside down, which is fine. All right. User manual. All right. Pretty straightforward stuff. Actually, let's see here. So it says click, but it really means touch. It works for Android and iOS, as you can see up here. And some setup instructions with the app, because you will need this particular app here, the Fit, or you can just use this QR code right here to scan it and then install it. Or just search for the Fit to get that installed there. And your mobile device requirements as far as the operating system. All right. All right, I'm not gonna spend a whole lot of time on the manual because it's gonna be really straightforward. But as you can see here, the sports modes, there are 9 different sport modes. Okay, pretty cool. It has a heart rate monitor and it does sleep monitoring as well. Okay, even blood oxygen, as you can see up here. So it has a lot of features, it looks like here. Weather, you can check your messages, and you have your other options or settings right there. It has music control, as you can see right there. Number 10, right here. Music control, photo control. All right, even has a stopwatch. And what's this last issue? Pretty cool. Let's get past that. There's your charger. Let's see. For the watch. It doesn't come with the plug. You have to have your own type A plug that plugs right into this. All right, you can probably use the one that comes with your cell phone. And then you just place the watch right on top of here, as it has those pins at the bottom, right there. So just line it up with this here, and it'll start charging. Okay. And let's see here. Last thing, get the warranty, 1 year warranty, and you can activate it using that QR code. All right. So with that stated, let's look at the main thing, which is the watch. Nice size screen here. Again, you can see the two-tone. Look at that closely. Turn it over, you can see the other color. You can see it has the quick release pins. So you can just slide this over if you wanted to replace it. All right. Pretty cool. And then you have your sensor down here. And it has some film on there so you can peel that off. So as you can see right there, you just peel that off. Okay. Now with that stated, let's go ahead and get this bad boy powered on. All right, let's go ahead and get this removed. Cool. It's beautiful. And let's go ahead and get this turned on. It will stick to it magnetically, as you can see there. And it is definitely charging. Get a better image there. So I'll take it off again, put it back, and it's charging. And again, it's sticking on there magnetically, as you can see there. All right. All right. Now, regarding charging, this is magnetic. Let's see how strong this magnet is. Pretty cool. Now there are two ways to power this fitness tracker on. You can either just put it on the charge dock here or the charge pad here, and it will turn it on, or you can press and touch the touch area, which I will show you in a few moments. You hold it down for 5 seconds and then it will power it on. All right, so those are the two ways you can turn it on. So let me take this off. If you look closely, you will see that little circle right here. So you're not gonna flick through screens by swiping up or down. That little touch circle right there, you just touch it. And this is how you get through screens. So let's look at the different options here. Again, to wake up the watch, you tap on that touch area right here. And that wakes it up. All right, so you have your counters there. Heart rate, blood pressure, oxygen level, which is the SpO2. All right, and if I wanted to enter the sport mode, I'll long press here. And you can look at the different options there: walking, running, cycling, etc. Pretty nice. Then if I want to go back, press and hold here. Takes me out of that. Sleep monitoring. You could check out your messages. Of course, I don't have anything set up here, so won't see that. And then you can control your music. Play, pause, skip, or repeat. All right. And then you can control the camera too, remotely. Then you have your options. Reset, power off, brightness. Now, as far as the time and everything, you can see is way out of sync. And I'm not sure if you're able to change it from 24 hours to 12 hours or if it's stuck on military time. But once I have this connected to my phone via the Fit app, we will see if that syncs with my phone settings. So I'm going to do that right now. Now, of course, you can use the QR code to download and install this app, or you can just search for the fit. All right, let's go ahead and get that installed. Now, once you open the app, you're presented here to create your profile. So that's when you enter birth date and height in pounds or your weight. All right, it's all done in inches, as you can see here, as far as the height. So just something to be prepared for. All right. Now, once you enter all the information for your profile, you will see the screen here. Next thing you would do is go ahead and tap Add To. Go ahead and give it permissions. And it's looking for that device there, which is right there. And it should be loading. And there it is. All right, you can always remove it, and then you can always factory wipe it from the watch itself. All right, let's see here for upgrades. Looks like it has the latest version. Let's back out. And then the same settings that we saw on the watch. But you can actually do it here instead of navigating through the watch if it's easier for you. Okay. You can change the watch faces. All right. Looks like it comes with 3. So let's choose this one here. And as far as the other settings here, I was just here. You go and tap here. And again, you can just choose whichever app you would like to receive notifications from. Again, if someone sent you a text message, if someone is calling, anything like that, you will be able to see it on the watch, but you just will not be able to reply it, okay? So with that stated, again, this definitely has a lot of features. Let's check out that watch face really quick. And the time did update. Also, while you're in the mobile app in watch settings, if you go to other, you can change the time format here. And you have some other options there as well. All right. And then, let's see, under profile, you have some information here as well. You can set goals, you can edit or change your profile, etc. And again, you can just choose whichever app you would like to receive notifications from. Again, if someone sent you a text message, if someone is calling, anything like that, you will be able to see it on the watch, but you just will not be able to reply it, okay? So with that stated, again, this definitely has a lot of features. Let's check out that watch face really quick. As you can see here, that the time format did change to the 12-hour format versus the 24 it had earlier, and everything is synced up. Very nice. Now, as far as the size comparison, they are the same. Of course, with the rotating bezel, it makes this watch look a bit bigger. But overall, as you can see there, they are the same size. This will be more like the same size as the Galaxy Active Watch. Now, this does have a nice weight to it. Not saying it's too heavy, but it has a nice feel to it, so it doesn't feel too cheap. All right, because this is alloy, it's not plastic. All right. Now, put this on my wrist real quick. See how this looks. All right. Really nice. And it does do the auto wake up. As you can see, well, let's wait for the screen to turn off. You can see the screen is off now. But if I already turned on again, let's try this again. So auto shuts off if I turn down. Once I turn up, it turns on. really nice. All right. Again, this watch has some nice features, feels comfortable, and I'm definitely digging it, especially for the price. All these things that you get with it, it's pretty cool. And it starts reading right away. You get the weather. It is in Celsius versus Fahrenheit. I'm not sure if you can update or change that. If you long press, you can see the next day, but I'm not sure if you could change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit. But nevertheless, it is cool. All right. Now, if you're interested in the Havit fitness tracker, of course, there'll be a link posted in the description section of this video. And this completes my review for the Havit fitness tracker. I thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Also, share it out and comment below. Until next time, keep it mobile.